Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a protective style, which is the jumbo box braids using the elastic band method. But first, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that button below and the bell, and we'll jump straight into this video. So I've already sectioned off my hair into how many parts I want it. That's also for the back. So I've already sectioned them off because it was easier to do it off camera using mirrors and all of that stuff. And I also used this moisture butter on my hair to make sure that it's moisturized, and I sealed it off with the Jamaican black castor oil butter. I did use the beeswax to get my parts to be nice and smooth, and I did use the edge controller just around the front section of my hair so that it can lay down a bit better. But if you want to see how I prepared my hair for this style, I'll leave a link in the iCards above and the description box so you can check that video out to see what I did before I put my hair into these sections. So for the box braid, I bought a packet of hair from Amazon. So it is pre-stretched, 20 inches, and the color 99J hashtag. So I'll just open it up. And I got 8 packs of hair in here. 20 inches. And it's a kind of reddish burgundy color. So I'll just open it up. So this is what the hair looks like. As you can see, it is two-toned, burgundy and black at the ends. It's pre-stretched. And I got 8 packs of these. I know it looks pretty small, but I'm sure once I take the this off, it will expand a bit more. So I'm just going to put my hair back up, and then I'm just going to start with the bottom here and show you how I install it. So we'll start with this one section here. As you can see, it's already sectioned off. Just give it a little comb out to make sure that it's fully detangled. Okay, so as you can see, it's a lot more fuller than it was while it was still attached. And I don't want these too big or too small, so I'm just going to get a decent size. I think like this. I'm just going to make sure that's nice and smooth. I'm just going to plait this onto my hair using my hair as a third leg, and then I'm just going to add some more hair in as I go along from the 2 pieces. So I'm just going to plait it in as you normally would. As my hair starts to get a little bit thinner, I'm just going to add a bit from the 2 pieces into it so that they're all the same size. And then I'm just going to continue plaiting. And because it's already pre-stretched, I can just plait it all the way down to the end. And that's it. This is my one plait. and we'll just keep going with the rest of them. I really like this hair. It's nice and it's light and soft, easy to plait. I've done all of these in just 20 minutes. 3, 5, 7 plaits in like 20 minutes in between getting the hair and everything. So it's pretty easy to plait and everything. So we'll just keep on adding hair. I'll let you guys know at the end how long it actually took me to put all of these braids in. This is 1/4 completely done. I say it took me about half an hour to do this side. So it may take me about 2 hours to complete the rest of my head. Well, an hour and a half because I've already done this side. This is actually the easiest part of the style. It took me way longer to part my hair out. So that's where the time builds up. But if you do it in sections like I did, do a bit today, a bit earlier, a bit later, then it kind of breaks up the time and you're not spending hours at one time doing your hair.
One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. 2 1 by 2 out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. 2 1 by 2 out the door. Then you have magic.
Okay, so I'm finished. It took me just over an hour and a half. This is the back. I love the color of this hair. It's really nice. So I used 3 packs and a little bit out of a 4th pack just to do 3 more plaits. So I didn't think that was bad, so I got enough to do another set of braids, which is pretty good. So now I'm going to go and seal the ends of these hair. As you can see, some of them are starting to unravel already, so I'm going to replait them and seal them. And I also got some jewels in the pack as well, so I may put these in or I might choose my own colours. I've got some gold and silver ones that I might use instead. But I'll seal these. I'll show you what I've done with the hot water, and then we'll finish off after that. So I've just sealed off the ends. Now I'm just going to use some mousse just to catch all the flyaways.
They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around, one today.
So I've decided to use these gold accessories instead. I'm just going to clip them in random places.
They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you
Don't want too many, so that's okay. And then now I've just got my oil, so I'm just going to oil my scalp. That my hair doesn't dry out too much while in these braids.
magic. One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic.
Okay, so this is the finished look. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.